Hey, Map your Map Investments. Doing a couple of videos here. Football's over, so I guess it's the GOAT, Tampa Bay against the young buck KC Mahomes. See if Mahomes can repeat. Should be a good game. Anyways, I was looking at CNBC at some of the headlines, and this one caught my attention here. An aggressive fight over containers is causing shipping costs to skyrocket by 300%. So I have my eye on, when I read this headline, I've been eyeing this micro small cap with a small float by the name of ESEA, Euroseas Ltd. I'm going to pull up the daily chart. There's a daily chart. It's had a nice run here. It was at 260 low. You got the 50-day crossing the 200-day RSIs at 96. And, I mean, it's just been climbing. It's at, after hours on Friday, was at 802. Here's the weekly chart. Weekly. I don't know why it does that. There we go, weekly. You can see 656 here was kind of like the resistance or the prior high. It's through that. It's a tiny traded stock, as a small float, so we really don't have that volume confirmation like we did on this one here with 11 million plus shares here that it hit 510. And also had another big bar here with 5.5 million to 412. Can pull up the monthly chart, and this thing was up to 57 once, 30. I'm sure there might have been some reverse splits in here, maybe, possibly. I would have to do some further in-depth research. But these guys, they provide international tanker transportation services in the container ship sector with a fleet of 18 ships. It's only a $45 million company. Only has 2.8 million shares in the float out there. They're estimating profits in 20 and in 21, and huge profits in 21. I don't think I've seen much headlines. Let's see if we see any headlines here. Just a new partnership here. A new charter. New charters for 3 vessels. I wanted to see if they had some earnings news. Euroseas shares trading lower after the company reported QP results were down year over year. And this was, this was in late November, so that was recently. EPS 26 down from 0.2, and their sales missed. Interesting. So the numbers aren't all that great from looking at this. Trying to see what other news is relevant here. Nothing else. Let me look up the chart here. So here is the 5-day, 1 month. 1 month, you got some buying. Got some green here. The 3 month is pretty nice. 6 month, year. It's a tiny micro flow. I mean, look at that on the 5-year. I will keep an eye on this one. There's some other ones out there, but I think they're bigger floats. Frontline is one. front line is one. Where is this trading at? $6. I got 98 million shares. NAT, Nordic American Tanker. There's another one, but they do oil and gas. What they were talking about there was more like containers, transportation. There you go. What other ones are in this sector here? You got Danos, DAC. Oh wow, look at this one. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. I need to put up the. Look at that weekly chart. From $4, actually $3.40. This thing is at $30 in a straight line. Incredible. This one has 6 million shares outstanding. What a move. And DAC, wow. GSL, look at this. Another one. This was 432 up to 17 plus. There was another one that I saw there that I had my eye on, that I wrote down on my desk. And I think NMCI, or I would have to do another video on it. I just want to concentrate on this one because this one has pretty good ranking, and it seems like it can make a run like the other ones to higher levels. I mean, why can't I get to 19 like the other ones? So, I mean, they got an 89 composite rating, 88 group rating, and if rates are really skyrocketing, their earnings per share should fall in line, and they have higher estimates here. So keep your eye on this one, Euroseas Ltd, ESEA. I got a couple shares. I like the way it looks on the weekly chart. I think we can go much higher if these trends and these rates continue, like that article on CNBC states. Well, anyways, have a good night. Please like the video, subscribe, hit that like button, notification bell, and share with friends and family. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.